kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant hi bapau. Hamokam hilaban pun long e kathong ko chongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapher kadon ka degree course ka diploma ba ka advanced diploma course.
Ka Malki Sports Club kalapun ku Burom yau samla Daniel Dabiang Baha Warjri ubashong basa halom balang Malki Shillong hadin buloyo ban khori ka Takma Rupa ha ka Lumpung Yakob K10 Sub Junior Cadet and Junior National Karate Championship araja punrio ka long hanong ba Dehradun jong ka jilla Uttarakhand ha ka Jingïakhun pun ku Burom nasa kilang dikinongkit kam ka Malki Sports Club ringkat bat ki bahayeng hasem jong usamla Daniel.
Kalau kita pergi ke sana, pun cumi layu bangai ini, agak nasional level bangai silver, tapi Daniel tapi tahu Warjri, bad, na ai kedai pi, pun ke Shillong, pun ke sport club juga Shillong dong lagi, ke balai ada ini berai jenis ini, Burom ya, Daniel. Ai bagini ke Burom nang ke jenis Shillong saya dua kelas semua juga Shillong bagini le bagini yo kan pas.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.